Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 10th. You please open Act 4, Scene 1 from your drama book. Act 4, Scene 1 of the Merchant of Venice, the drama book. Line number 85. The speech of Bassanio. For thy 3,000 ducats, here is 6. Bassanio says to Shylock, here are 6,000 ducats instead of your 3,000. I'm paying you 6,000 ducats instead of 3,000 ducats. Shylock says, if every ducat in 6,000 ducats were in 6 parts, and every part a ducat, I would not draw them. I would have my bond. Shylock says, if each of the 6,000 ducats were divided into 6, and each part was a ducat, yet I would not accept it. I would not accept. I would have only my bond. Shylock has become adamant, became obstinate, and says, no, I would have only my bond, nothing else. Duke says, how shalt thou hope for mercy, rendering none? Duke says, if you show no mercy on others, how can you hope for God's mercy? How? Shylock says, what judgment shall I dread, doing no wrong? What judgment do I fear, when I have done nothing wrong, no wrong? You have among you may a purchased slave, which like your asses and your dogs and mules, you see, you use in abject and slavish parts, because you bought them. Now he gives the example, Shylock gives the example, you keep many slaves, whom you have bought, like your asses, dogs, and mules, you use them in mean servile tasks, just because you have bought them. Shall I say to you, let them be free, marry them to your heirs? Shall I ask you, shall I say to you, give them freedom and allow them to marry your children? Will you be agree? Why sweat they under burdens? Why have they to sweat by carrying heavy loads? Why? Why have they to sweat by carrying heavy loads? Let their beds be made as soft as yours, as you have your beds very soft, so their beds should be. Why don't you do this? Why? Let their beds be as soft as yours beds, and let their pallets be seasoned with such viands, and let their beds be as soft as yours, and be treated with the same food as your own. You will answer, the slaves are ours. So do I answer you. You may say, in this context you would say, the slaves are ours, because we have bought them. So my reply is the same. The pound of flesh which I demand of him is dearly bought. The 1 pound of flesh which I asked, which I demanded of Antonio, is really very expensive for me, really costly, dearly bought. It is bought by me at a high price. It is mine and I will have it. Therefore, it is mine and I will have it. If you deny me, fie upon you, law. There's no force in the decrees of Venice. He says, if it is mine and I will have it, if you deny me what is lawful, you should be ashamed of the legal system of your city. There's no legal authority in Venice to deny this to me. It is my right. I demand the judgment now. I stand for judgment. Answer, shall I have it? I demand the judgment now. Answer me whether I shall have it or not. Duke says, upon my power I may dismiss this court unless Bellario, a learned doctor whom I have sent for to determine this, come here today. Duke says, with my authority I may adjourn, I may dismiss the court unless Bellario, a learned doctor of law. Bellario is the cousin of Portia and a learned doctor of law who lives in Padua, whom I have requested to come. Duke says, whom I requested to come and settle this dispute, settle this case, comes here today, till I dismiss, till I adjourn the court. Salerio says, my lord here stays without a messenger with letters from the doctor, new, come from Padua. Salerio says, my lord, a messenger from the doctor from Padua is waiting outside with letters. With the letters. Duke says, bring us the letters, call the messengers. Bassanio says, good cheer, Antonio. Antonio is in very dejected mood. He's very serious. He's very gloomy. So Bassanio wants to boost him up and says, good cheer, Antonio. What man, courage yet. The Jew shall have my flesh, blood, bones, and all thou shalt lose for me one drop of blood. Cheer up, Antonio. Have courage. You are courageous man. Have courage. The Jew will have all my blood, flesh, and bones before you lose one drop of your blood on my account. Antonio says, I am a tainted wether of the flock, meetest for death. I am like a sick sheep in the herd, more suitable to be slaughtered earlier than the others, earlier than the other sheep. The weakest kind of fruit drops earliest to the ground. He says the weakest fruit falls from the tree, falls earliest from the tree, and so let me die. So let me die, Bassanio. You cannot better be employed, Bassanio, than to live still and write mine epitaph. He says it will be a fitting task, it will be good for you, Bassanio, to live and write the inscription on my tombstone. You live and write the inscription on my tombstone, on my grave. After that, enter Nerissa dressed like a lawyer's clerk. Lawyer is Portia, and Nerissa is dressed like a lawyer's clerk. You will study in the next period what happens later. Thank you so much, students.